Today I'm going to show you how to turn off focused inbox in Outlook 365. So I'm starting by opening my Microsoft Outlook web app. I'm heading over to my browser and typing in outlook.cloud.microsoft in the address bar. Once I hit enter, the Outlook login page loads up. From here, I'm entering my account credentials to log in. After I sign in, Outlook takes a moment to load all my emails and display my inbox on the screen. This might take a few seconds depending on your connection, so just give it a moment to fully load everything. Now that my inbox is open and all my emails are visible, I'm ready to access the settings where the focused inbox option is located. I'm looking up at the top right corner of the screen where I can see a gear icon. This is the settings button for Outlook 365. So I'm clicking on that gear icon now. As soon as I click it, a settings window slides open from the right side of the screen. This is where all the main Outlook settings are stored, and it gives me access to everything I need to customize how my inbox works. Inside this settings window, I'm looking over at the left sidebar where different setting categories are listed. Right here, I can see the Mail tab, so I'm clicking on Mail to expand those options. Once I click that, a bunch of subcategories appear underneath it. From these options, I'm looking for the one labeled Layout. This is the section that controls how my inbox is organized and displayed, so I'm clicking on Layout now. As soon as that opens, the layout settings appear in the main part of the window. And right here near the top, I can see the focused inbox section. This is exactly what I need to change. The focused inbox feature automatically sorts my messages into two tabs, focused and other. But if I want to turn that off and just see all my emails in one single list without any sorting, this is where I do it. So I'm looking at the options under focused inbox, and I can see two radio buttons. One says sort messages into focused and other, and the second one says don't sort my messages. Right now, the first option is selected, so I'm clicking on the Don't Sort My Messages radio button. As soon as I select that, the focused inbox feature is disabled. Now I need to save this change so it actually takes effect. At the bottom right corner of the settings window, I can see a Save button, so I'm clicking on Save now. Outlook processes that change for a second, and then the settings window closes. When I look back at my inbox, I notice that the Focused and Other tabs are now completely gone. My inbox now shows all my emails in one single view without any automatic sorting. Everything is listed together in the order it arrived, which is exactly what I wanted. And that's it. I opened Outlook 365, clicked the gear icon to access settings, went into Mail and then Layout, selected Don't Sort My Messages under Focused Inbox, and clicked Save. The focused inbox is now turned off. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.